I finished painting the entire deck. Now I gotta go clean and prep this dirty patio. I trimmed all these edges of the weeds. Now all these old rotten leaves and debris and all that stuff, you can't paint it. You gotta first sweep it, clean it real good. Over there in the corner you got cobwebs, so clean all that stuff out first, and then I'm gonna scrub it down with some detergent and bleach. Just clean it real good, and just clean the pipe with some mold cleaner. Let it dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just put 2 coats of paint down on it just to clean it up. Okay, so we swept all the debris away, moved all the weeds. Now, to get rid of like little minor particles, we're gonna use this turbine just to blow the dust away. Now we're just gonna scrub it and clean it. We got the dust off. So we got that down there. We're gonna let this dry up. All right, so that's done. We get at an hour or 2 to dry up. You don't want to paint it while it's wet or even damp for that matter. So make sure you let this go ahead and dry. I might paint it this evening when the sun go down. It's getting hot out here. But wifey wanted this painted gray. And I went in the basement in the storage, and I found that I got like a half gallon of old white, another half gallon of old white, and like a quarter gallon of old white, a brand new black, and another brand new black. So instead of spending $30–50 for some paint, I'm gonna take this old paint, mix it up, put some black in there, get her to agree to the right texture of gray that she want, rather it's battleship gray, what have you. And I have enough paint to go ahead and paint this thing. This is the end of August already, so I'm looking at it like it'll be 90 days for, you know, fall kick all the way in and winter start creeping in. So I just want to basically make sure it's nice and clean. That's really the only thing I'm thinking about this year. Next year, I plan on getting this whole deck physically ripped out and get a new one. Now I mean, it's starting to get old, so that's why I didn't really do too much on the repair side, because it's sturdy and all that, but it's getting old, and gotta get this ripped out, just get a new one put up there, and just get a brand new patio, have them break this up and just fix it. And that's the plan. But for right now, to save some money, it's NOI DIY, do it yourself. Struggle continues. Okay, cleaning it up, putting the first coat of paint down. Nice and clean and painted. Voila, finish. Groundhog outside, grubbing on the lettuce. Threw some romaine lettuce out there yesterday.